Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it in and outside your circle. Now in my previous cement craft video basically, I showed you guys these amazing things that I made. It was my first time and I was so proud of myself. Now in this video, I'm going to be adding color pigments to it to see how it's going to turn out basically. So join me in this process. It's not a tutorial, it's not a tutorial at all. I'm just showing you guys like my process of making my cement crafts basically. So let's get started. Now guys, you're going to be hearing the sound of rain. I love how soothing the sound of rain is. Rain was falling on that day, even though um cold weather is not really the best for cement craft. It's better for candle making, but for cement craft is really like it's not going to allow your stuff to dry easily basically. But I actually enjoyed the sound of the rain, the smell of the rain, and yeah, you guys please just enjoy the whole video. I'm going to also put like a soundtrack like underneath, but it's not going to be loud, so the rain is going to be really soothing and everything. So just keep watching. So guys, I didn't really like the way I was seeing the coloring basically. It was looking like it was separating the black from the cement. I didn't really like it like that. The outcome even as well was not even like black basically. Like once it's drying up, it wasn't really giving me like the color that I wanted. So yeah, basically let's just see how it's turned out. So guys, it's time for us to demold, and this is just the process of me demolding. Can you guys see the color is black? Like, it's actually turned out black initially. I was already happy like initially, but as time went on, it wasn't really like the black that I actually wanted. So this is what it looks like compared to the one I did the first time. So can you guys see the color? There's a difference. There's actually a difference, but later on the black was not just black. It was grayish sort of, but I don't know if it's that I didn't put enough color pigments. But I've heard people should not put like too much color pigments. That's why I didn't even put like extremely much. I put much, but not extremely much. So yeah, basically that color pigment didn't really work for me. Now guys, this cover broke because the color pigment as well made it really really slow to set basically. So that powdered color pigments really affected my outcome. So because this was really really fragile, it broke when I like as I was removing it, it just broke. And yeah, but you can see the difference between the first one I did and this one. Like the color, you would think this black would stay black, it did not stay black, but it turned out really really cute. Now it's time to demote this tea light house, and because the pigments did not make it set well, it actually broke. So can you guys see? Everything just broke into pieces. Though I did another one later on and it turned out really well, but that was with pure cement. But this one like actually broke. But I actually liked the outcome of everything I did on this particular second attempt. I'm loving this process basically. I'm actually loving my creation process. Like, it's just so amazing and fun. Yes guys, that's all I have for this particular video. I'm also going to do another video where I show you guys like how to make the one with a mirror, a coaster tray basically with a mirror. Like I have plenty plans for this, but I need to like get my content right before like putting it out. So watch out for those videos. I'm going to like bring out more cement craft videos, hopefully candle making videos in the future. And I hope you guys like come with me on this journey basically. Please subscribe to the channel, comment in the comment section if you have any questions or anything to say. I'll be ready to reply you. Yes, that's all I have for this video. Like this video, share it in and outside your circle, join in as a member of the family, join in as a member of this channel. And yes, until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.